In order to restore peace and calm to your sensitive nervous system, feeling deeply connected to nature is an extremely powerful and healing experience, especially for the highly sensitive person. Blessings, my name is Brenda Carey, and I'm honored to guide you in this visualization meditation as you will align to the different energetic qualities in nature so that your body can heal as it was naturally designed to. It is my intention for this channel to create a sanctuary for the sensitive soul to love themselves into healing. If you find this video and holistic healing practice helpful, please share it with others as we are all on this healing journey together. So let's begin. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Close your eyes gently and start to tune into the rhythm of your breath. Allow the inhale to bring you to a more present state. And every exhale, release any tension in the body or the mind. Let's begin this nature connection meditation by visualizing the element of earth. Earth is the foundation of all life. It represents stability, inner strength, and grounding. Within you, earth, are your bones, muscles, and the structure of your physical form. Feel your body connected to the earth beneath you, solid and strong. Imagine roots growing from the base of your spine, reaching deep into the ground, anchoring you in its steady, unwavering energy. With every breath, feel the earth's strength, grounding your nervous system, helping you feel centered and secure. You are grounded. You are stable. And you are safe. Now bring your awareness to the element of water. Bring an image to your mind of the fluidity and adaptability of life-giving water. Within you, water flows as your blood, your lymphatic system, and the moisture in your cells. As you breathe, feel the water element flowing within you, moving with ease and grace. Water allows you to release emotional tension and let go of any resistance. With each breath, feel the calming energy of water, soothing your mind and body, gently washing away stress, leaving you feeling peaceful and clear. You are fluid. You are adaptable. And you flow with ease. Now let's focus on the element of fire. Visualize this element of transformation and vitality. It exists within you as your metabolism, your digestion, and the warmth of your inner fire, your spirit and drive. fire energizes and clears any stagnancy. Yet it also is gentle, like the flicker of a candle flame. As you breathe in, feel this warm, purifying fire circulating through your whole body, removing away stress, worry, and overstimulation. You are resilient, and you are alive with this peaceful energy. Now bringing your awareness to the element of air. Visualize the energy of air. It is movement and breath, the carrier of life. It exists within you, every movement of your lungs, and the flow of oxygen through your body. With each inhale, feeling it expand your chest and bring fresh vital energy to every cell in your body. With every exhale, feel a lightness as tension and stress are carried away by this breeze. Let her energy within you calm and balance your nervous system, bringing you a sense of lightness and freedom. You are expansive. You are open. You are free. Finally, turning your awareness to the element of ether or space. Ether is the vastness, the container that holds everything. It exists within you as the space between your thoughts, the pause between breaths, and the infinite potential within your spirit. Imagine an open sky, endless and expansive. Feel the spaciousness within your body. You are part of an infinite, spacious universe. As you breathe deep, feel this spaciousness expanding within you. In this perfect spaciousness, everything finds its place, and you can simply be. These precious elements of nature are not separate from you. They are a part of you, always supporting and guiding you. Now take a deep breath in and a slow exhale out to release. Blessings on your healing journey.